sweet potato and mushroom carbonara. I have a skillet going, and come look at these mushrooms, Paige. I cooked the sliced mushrooms in a little bit of bacon grease. I sauteed the bacon earlier, and then I cooked the mushrooms. So now I'm gonna move forward with the carbonara sauce, and I'm adding, what is this, garlic? Adding garlic and a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes and some salt. I'm holding my sleeve, don't be concerned, and pepper. And then I'll start stirring it around until I smell that garlic. It happened. It happened, it's happening. It's gonna happen, good stuff. Okay, so when everything's sizzling, I've got some baby kale, and you can also use baby spinach. The baby kale kind of stays together a little bit better, in my opinion. Okay, so look at this mixture, Paige. How good does this look?
Yummy.
Delicious. All right, so now it's time for the noodles. So I'm gonna get this whole bunch, and it looks like a lot, but it was only like 3 sweet potatoes. That's what I love about spiralizing vegetables. Whether it's zucchini or carrots or sweet potatoes, it kind of grows as you go. Did you guys register for a spiralizer for your wedding?
We actually didn't. I have one.
Oh, you.
Look at that.
That's no fun.
I make zoodles all the time.
Okay, and then I'm gonna pour in some water, which is gonna help make the noodles a little bit tender. Now, some people boil noodles like this, sweet potato or zucchini noodles. I always find that that just makes them fall apart more easily. I like to cook them really gently in a skillet with the rest of the sauce ingredients. I just find they stay together better, and you don't want to just stir and go crazy. You want to treat it with care. So I'm going to sit here and babysit the sweet potato noodles until they start to get tender, and then I'll turn this skillet into carbonara. It's going to rock your ever-loving world. Okay, the sweet potato noodles are tender. Look at this, Paige. They look fantastic. I can tell they still have some structure to them. They aren't totally falling apart, and that's good. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat, and I'm going to grab the 4 eggs in a mason jar, whisk them together, and then I'm gonna add some Parmesan, make a mess in the process. I'll add some salt and pepper, and then come look at this, Paige. So this mixture is gonna go into the really hot skillet of sweet potato noodles. And if we play our cards right, it's gonna turn into sweet potato noodle carbonara pasta something or other.
Hopefully it's not scrambled.
No, you can't. You don't scramble it. You just pour slowly and toss the whole time. And the idea is that the hot water and the heat of the sweet potato noodles will create sort of this thick coating for the noodles, and it just turns into heaven, if you ask me. Okay? And when it's regular pasta, you just want to toss pretty constantly, and you don't want the eggs to scramble, and actually the Parmesan kind of helps with that. Okay, there's such a fine line between the sauce being lovely and glossy and thick, and then suddenly scrambled eggs showing up. So here we go. Oh, hold on. I didn't cut those quite short enough. And you can see little bits here and there. It doesn't mean it's scrambled eggs. It means it's the Parmesan in the egg mixture. So I'll sprinkle the top with some of the bacon. Yum, yum. And then some extra parm. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. And then of course, plenty of parsley. This looks incredible, absolutely gorgeous, and so very easy. As long as you have a spiralizer and don't scramble your eggs. Yum. Should I take a bite?
Take a bite.
I think I should take a bite.
Take a bite.
Sweet potato noodles, here we go. Oh,
Slurp it up.
watch this. Have scissors nearby.